Today is day 4 of our 17-day Trans-Pacific cruise, and we have made it to Osaka, Japan. We're here today, and we're here tomorrow, and we don't leave until 8 p.m. tomorrow. So we have a lot of time in Osaka. We're going to go to Osaka today, Kyoto tomorrow. From here, there's actually a lot of people that are taking the train into Hiroshima, or going to Kobe, or they're just going right to Kyoto. It's about a 40-minute train ride from here. About an hour and 10-minute drive. So check this out. This is my view from my cabin. Just in case you didn't see it, right there, there's already a bunch of taxis ready to go. You're about almost a half a mile from the main train station. To get to the main train station, it's 2 stops to get to the main train station. And from there, you can take a train to wherever you want to go. And with being here for 48 hours almost, it gives you the opportunity to pretty much do whatever you want to do here in Japan. That sun is hot already, and it's just 8:30 in the morning, so it's going to be a hot one. So we're in Osaka today and tomorrow. And tomorrow, once you go onto the ship, you can't come out no matter how much time you still have left in town, because you have to clear customs again. And they consider you have leaving Japan once you go on the ship. So make sure you keep that in mind if you come out here, and maximize your time accordingly. It's your travel agent, David, and today we are at Osaka's Cruise Port. And when you come out of here, right behind me is going to be full of cabs. You can take a cab wherever you want to. There's an old building right over here. It looks like an old building anyway. I checked it. It's a wedding venue, so it's not a historical building you can go into. You do have a mall right here with a very large Ferris wheel. They say it is the world's largest giant wheel. On the other side of that is a aquarium. And if you need a convenience store because you got to get some hygiene items, you just want some snacks or some drinks or anything like that because you're just hanging around the area, right at the corner of the mall is a family mart. So they also have an ATM in there. So if you need to get some yen, fantastic place for you to go do that right over there. So let's go check out the inside of the port. Now, when you come here, you do have to show them your passport to get out to where I'm at now. You're gonna have to show it to get in. And then when we leave tomorrow, because we're overnighting here, when we leave tomorrow, when we show them our passports to go out, we cannot come back because they're going to consider us having left Japan because this is our last stop before we head to Los Angeles. So we're going to go check out the inside, and I hope that this gives you enough information for when you're arriving here of things that you can do and how to get around. All the tour buses are for the excursions are going to be picked up right over here, right beside the giant wheel. So if you got any questions about this port, make sure you hit me up in the comments, and do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button if you're going to be coming and staying here. I want to just try to see how active this port really is. Thanks. This is a reassuring sign. If a major earthquake occurs, a tsunami is expected here in 114 minutes. Evacuate to the third floor or above in a secure building. Now you know. Now you know. And there you go, from ship to ship, the port of Osaka.